Understanding loan notes, a comprehensive guide. A loan note is not just a simple form of borrowing, it is an essential financial instrument that ensures obligations are clearly outlined and legally binding between parties. This article will delve deeper into what a loan note is, how it functions, what information is typically contained within it, examples of its use, benefits, and special considerations you should be aware of. What is a loan note? A loan note, also referred to as a promissory note, acts as an extended form of a basic IOU document. It formalizes the borrowing arrangement, allowing a payee, the borrower, to obtain funds from a lender. This agreement often includes a specified interest rate, terms of repayment, and the final date of the loan term. Loan notes can come into play for various types of financial transactions, ranging from personal loans to business financing. They can be particularly valuable when cash is not readily available, hence helping borrowers to make significant purchases. Key characteristics of a loan note. Legally binding. A loan note serves as a legally valid contract detailing the obligations of both parties. Should either party fail to comply with the terms, contractual penalties apply, which may involve legal action, like suing or seeking arbitration. Detailed provisions. A well-structured loan note includes all essential terms of the loan such as principal amount, the total amount borrowed. Interest rate, the cost of borrowing, typically expressed as a percentage. Payment schedule, how and when repayments are made. Due date, the date by which the loan must be fully repaid. Penalty clauses, consequences of late payments or prepayment penalties. How does a loan note work? A loan note is a documented agreement outlining the loan's terms, considered binding upon both parties. Typically executed by the lender, the note remains in effect until the loan debt is settled in full. When correctly drafted, it provides a framework for managing expectations and minimizing disputes over financial obligations. For instance, if an individual receives a cash settlement but chooses to take it in the form of a loan note, they could potentially avoid a heavy tax burden that might occur with a lump sum payment. Information contained in a loan note. A loan note usually encompasses various critical details regarding the exchange of funds between lender and borrower. Personal information, names and contact details of both parties. Principal amount, total loan value. Interest rate, stipulated fee for borrowing, which could be fixed or variable. Amortization schedule, detailed payment timeline that may include monthly, quarterly, or yearly payments. Late payment penalties, fees attached for missed payments, intended to incentivize timely repayment. Prepayment penalties, fees incurred if the borrower pays off the loan earlier than planned, protecting lenders against financial loss. Example scenario. Consider a home purchase, which typically involves a mortgage alongside a loan note. The borrower signs a loan note specifying how much they are borrowing, the interest rate, and the payment schedule. This document acts as a promise to repay and includes detailed contingency plans should there be a default. Benefits of loan notes. Loan notes offer numerous advantages for borrowers and lenders alike. Tax advantages. They can help borrowers manage cash flow and avoid high tax liabilities that often accompany one-time cash settlements. Flexible financing. For businesses, loan notes provide a means to finance purchases or ventures over time without overwhelming their current cash flow. Simplicity. Establishing a loan note can be straightforward, benefiting both borrowers seeking small loans and entrepreneurs looking for seed funding. Legal protection. Loan notes offer greater legal weight compared to informal IOUs, providing a more secure basis for enforcing agreements. Special considerations for loan notes. When dealing with loan notes, it is important to recognize their legal significance compared to informal agreements. Enforceability. A properly written loan note is often upheld in court, whereas an informal IOU may not hold the same weight. Duress claims. If either party can prove that they entered the agreement under duress, it could render the loan note void. State laws. Legal requirements for loan notes can vary by state, necessitating careful consideration of local regulations. Conclusion. Loan notes are essential financial instruments that formalize borrower-lender relationships by clearly outlining terms and conditions. Their legal robustness, along with associated benefits, makes them a preferred choice over casual agreements. Whether you are looking to finance a home purchase, business operations, or personal loans, understanding how to craft and enforce a loan note can help secure favorable terms and protect your interests. Always seek professional advice when drafting or entering into such agreements to ensure that your rights and obligations are clearly defined and protected.